Hi guys, how are you? Hoping you are doing well. So today I am going to tell you how can you check if the Python is installed on your system or not. Okay, so let's start. So you need to open the CMD, just right here, Python. Okay, just right here, Python, and hit enter. So it will show you what version you have installed and when it was installed. So this is the latest version that comes on March 23, 2022. So now it will work as a program interpreter, like you can write any code here and it will work like a calculator. You can do anything from here, like I can print my name as well here, um, so I'm sure it is case sensitive, so you have to take care of this. Okay, so it's work like calculator, or you can use it as a simple calculator here, or you can make any program here. You can do anything what you want to do on the programming perspective, and it will give you the result here. Like if you want to exit from here, simply type exit and hit enter. So this is how you can check if the Python is installed on your system or not. So this is the coolest way you can check it.